Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vishwajit Deb, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. The department offers BSc programs in mathematics. The newly designed NEP-driven BSc program has all the flexibility suggested by NEP 2020 to improve domain knowledge as well as basic skills and ability to handle practical situations. The salient features of this program are multiple credit-based entry and exit levels, 3 years BSc program, 4 years BSc program with major in mathematics, 4 years BSc program with research. Students can also opt for integrated MSc program. To be eligible to enroll in these programs, candidate must have passed 10+2 with mathematics as one of the subjects. Our courses are designed in such a way that graduates can choose a path among multiple career options such as higher studies, teaching, software industry, financial market, and many more. For more information about admission at SMIT, please visit applysmit.in.